Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for June 8th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. Here are today's biggest AI stories you need to know right now. How the UK is turning sovereign AI ambition into action with NVIDIA technologies. A year ago at London Tech Week, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang and UK PM Keir Starmer declared the UK would be an AI maker, not a taker. Now, at this year's event, NVIDIA showcased how the UK is building sovereign AI infrastructure using their technologies, including data centers and AI factories. This positions the UK as a leader in sovereign AI development. NVIDIA and LG Group build an AI factory to advance physical AI, mobility, and AI infrastructure. NVIDIA and LG Group are partnering to build an AI factory that will accelerate LG's next wave of AI-driven businesses, spanning robotics, autonomous driving, data center technologies, and GPU cloud services. This factory aims to advance physical AI and mobility solutions. Apple's secret AI meeting, Google SpaceX deal, intent debt. Apple reportedly held a secret AI meeting discussing future AI strategies, while Google struck a deal with SpaceX to enhance satellite connectivity. The concept of intent debt was also highlighted, referring to the gap between user intent and AI understanding. These developments signal major shifts in tech industry dynamics. NVIDIA and Doosan Group collaborate to advance physical AI and AI factory infrastructure. NVIDIA and Doosan Group are expanding their collaboration to advance physical AI, robotics, and AI factory infrastructure. The partnership spans Doosan Robotics, Doosan Bobcat, and Doosan Enerbility, aiming to integrate AI into heavy industries and manufacturing. SK Telecom and NVIDIA build AI infrastructure to power Korea's AI innovation. SK Telecom plans to build a gigawatt-scale AI cloud in Korea using the NVIDIA DSX platform, with the first AI factory coming online in 2027. This massive infrastructure will power Korea's AI innovation and support the country's growing demand for AI compute. NVIDIA and SK Hynix announced multi-year technology partnership to advance memory for AI factories. NVIDIA and SK Hynix announced a multi-year technology partnership to develop next-generation memory for AI factories. This collaboration aims to accelerate semiconductor design and manufacturing, crucial for handling massive AI workloads. Naver expands AI infrastructure with NVIDIA to serve surging global AI demand. Naver will expand its sovereign AI infrastructure starting at 55 megawatts, with plans to reach gigawatt scale using the NVIDIA DSX platform. This expansion is designed to meet surging global AI demand and support Naver's AI services. Apple APL is a top stock in billionaire Ken Fisher's portfolio. Apple Inc., NASDAQ APL, is a top holding in billionaire Ken Fisher's portfolio, with shares up 53% over the past year. Fisher's confidence in Apple reflects the company's strong brand and AI integration potential. NVIDIA is a top AI stock in billionaire Ken Fisher's portfolio. NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA, is also a top AI stock in Fisher's portfolio, given its critical role in the AI ecosystem. Fisher's investment highlights NVIDIA's dominance in AI hardware and data center solutions. AI Market Roundup. Samsung elects chip chief discussed next-generation foundry plans, while Micron Technology stock skyrocketed 87.8% last month, but the 2X Micron ETF shed 26.65% in one day. These moves reflect high volatility in AI-related semiconductor stocks. Conclusion and key takeaways. That wraps up today's AI News Roundup. From sovereign AI initiatives to major partnerships and market moves, the AI landscape is evolving fast. Stay informed to stay ahead. Don't forget, if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for daily AI updates. Drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories.